Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make this super easy and very delicious vegan fried rice. Perfect for a side dish or a meal on its own, you'll find it hard to stop at just one bowl. Now of course you can cook up the rice in a rice cooker or on the stove, but these were almost out of date so I thought I'd use them for this recipe. To make the sauce into a bowl, we're going to add in the soy sauce, the sesame oil, the sweet chili sauce, the brown sugar, the garlic, and the peanut butter. Then give that a good mix together to combine. Next we're going to chop up some spring onions. Finely dice some capsicum. And cut some tofu into some small cubes. Now with half the tofu I'm going to keep it sliced up into small pieces, and the other half I'm just going to smash with the back of a spoon so it resembles a scrambled egg. Into a pan on medium heat, once the garlic has been sautéed, we're going to add in the vegetables. We're then going to cook those for a couple of minutes to soften. Once slightly softened, we're going to pop those to one side in a separate bowl. Then into the pan we're going to add in the tofu. We're then going to cook that for about 5 minutes or so until it becomes nice and brown. Once the tofu is browned up, we're going to add the vegetables back in. Then we're going to add in the corn. Give everything a good mix together and we're going to cook that for a further 1 to 2 minutes. Next we're going to add in the cooked rice and the sauce. Then give everything a good mix together to combine. Then cook for another few minutes until everything is heated through. To serve, simply top it off with some spring onions. Yum! It's so good. It's absolutely delicious with just that hint of satay flavour. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, making sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all next week. Bye bye!